Welcome Remarks and History of Chicago. Hello. Welcome to Chicago, the third largest city in the United States. Founded in 1833, Chicago has grown into a major commercial and cultural center. The Great Fire of 1871 destroyed much of the city, but Chicago was rebuilt from the fire and many of its world-famous buildings were built. Today, Chicago is a beloved tourist destination with a distinctive skyline and rich historical background. Willis Tower, formerly Sears Tower. The first attraction you can't miss on your trip to Chicago is the Willis Tower, formerly known as the Sears Tower. It stands 110 stories tall and boasts the Chicago skyline, and its observation deck offers a panoramic view of the city. The blue waters of Lake Michigan and the magnificent view of the city provide travelers with an unforgettable experience. The Willis Tower is a perfect place to take pictures and to get a sense of the scale of the city. Millennium Park and Cloud Gate, the Bean. The next place I recommend is Millennium Park. This is well known for one of Chicago's landmarks, Cloud Gate, aka the Bean. The Chicago skyline is reflected on the sparkling surface, making it a great place to take unique photos, and it is popular with tourists. The park is well equipped with various art pieces and landscaping, making it a great place to take a walk, and there are many outdoor performances in the summer. Navy Pier. The next place to introduce is Navy Pier. This long pier along Lake Michigan is filled with restaurants, shops, theaters, and amusement parks, so you can enjoy various activities all day long. In particular, you can enjoy a great view of Chicago by riding the Ferris wheel or taking a cruise along the lake. This is the perfect place to spend a leisurely time with family or friends. Chicago River and Riverwalk. Take a river tour along the Chicago River, which flows through the heart of Chicago. This tour vividly conveys Chicago's unique architecture and the history contained within it. Also, the Riverwalk is a promenade along the Chicago River, a famous place where you can enjoy the beauty of the city on foot or by bike. A leisurely stroll along the Riverwalk is a must-do course for any trip to Chicago, allowing you to feel the harmony between nature and the city in the city's center. Food and museum recommendations? Finally, let me introduce you to Chicago's signature food. Chicago's deep dish pizza is famous for its thick crust and rich cheese, and is a must-try. Chicago is also a city of art and culture. The Art Institute of Chicago houses world-class art collections, and the Field Museum of Natural History and the Museum of Science and Industry offer travelers special experiences through various exhibitions and experiences. A trip to Chicago offers the opportunity to enjoy both culture and cuisine.